got here? We got a Hugger Orange 73 Camaro.
That's the best looking Camaro I like right here.
This is a You'd Lose Camaro. He also has a blue You'd Lose Camaro. That's a 69. That would be Barbie and Jim Hall. Yeah, it's got some tugged out rear end, huh? Look at that. Dominic parking them. It is cruise night down here. Healthcare Partners, Magnolia, and Garfield, Huntington Beach. Wow, who's this? It's the Hugger Orange. It is y'all. You lose 73.
Dano live.
Ah, shucks. Very kind and generous.
You got the camera.
Thank you, guys.
See you downtown.
All right, you lose 73. Oh, Camaro. All right, Linda and Stephen R. Bailey. See you downtown. Look at this. You got the steak, Cobra, the skeleton. We got Max Kaminsky right there. Check out this, Robert Wong. Look at this hot rod. Yeah, let's go, Robert. Wow, that's a rat rod. The Big Leorius, Stevie O. Look at this. Look at that Mustang. Yeah. Ooh. The fun's only just begun. Look at that. There's Pete, Susie Q. Yeah, brand new member, 69 El Camino. Who else we got? Oh, we got Big Perm coming. We got the Battle of the Chevys. We got Norm. We got Big Perm popping out. Well, first we got Peggy. There's Peggy in her Corvette. There's Big Perm.
See my man. Hey, Darren with DWS. We love you, baby. We're going to SEMA. We're taking that pickup truck. We can't wait to go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break my cherries.
There you have it. There we have it. See Brian. Big Perm. We got Carl. It's 1950, 88. Awesome 88 that is. There you have it. Got a few more cruisers here. A little slow on the starting switch. That'd be Pat and Dew, Nicole, and the Vicky. And whoa, we got Mike Miller starting up his 56 Bel Air Nomad. Look at that. How pretty is that? Yeah. They just cruise the whole northwest. You couldn't cruise downtown, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Dusky. Okay, Dominic. See you down. Okay, see you downtown. Hurry. 57 Heaven. That'd be Dominic. The most handsomest dude in any cruise night. Right there. Hey. Surf City Dano, locally world famous, aka Dano Live. You're on Dano Vision Cruise Night. It's rolling down Main Street. We're right in the center of town. We're at the 200 block, and we're led off by Big Perm, Surf City Classics President, and a 70 Chevelle. Hey, what's going on, Brian?
Surf City Classics in the house. It's windy. We got Big Gary in the house.
Hey, Gary.
What's up? You know what? Every Wednesday night we're cruising, having fun. Big family, come and check us out. Getting ready for SEMA, baby. Look, next week is member of the month and car of the month, baby.
There you have it. So don't be late. Be here, right? All right. Big Perm and a 70 Chevelle, rolling it down, starting cruise night. Oh, here we got here, awesome 71. We got Big Mike. Hey, Mike, what up?
From Corona, Dano. I don't miss it if I can.
Yeah, that's pretty good. All the way in from Corona now. He used to just live right up the street, but now he comes in from Corona. That's Big Mike. Awesome 71. Then we got Tommy. What's up, Tommy? Then we got the cars. Jeff and Jeanette, what up? Cool, look at this hot rod, huh? Yeah, that'd be Jeff Carr. And who we got here? Oh, check it out. Look at that. Max has picked up a passenger. Look at here. We got Norm. Hey, Norm. Cool.
Great job, Dano.
That's pretty good, man. That's good. Thanks for bringing them in. Look at here. Wow. And we got it. Mills. Cool. Now it's 69. Right there. What else we got? Whoa, ho, ho. Check it out. Welcome back. It's a 36. That for sure is. It's a 36. Turn around, see who's rolling up behind me. Ho, ho, ho. We got Randy. This El Camino, 1970. What up? How are you doing? Good, good. You know, cup holder again. We got Gary. Gary's got the truck tonight. Hey, Gary.
Hey, Dano.
Hey. Oh, what we got here? We got the U-Lose 73 Camaro. We got Barbie and we got Jim. They are the aughts. They're usually handing out Hot Wheels as they roll down with their 73. Hey, hey, why do we bring this instead of the 69 tonight?
This one was easier to get to.
Okay, all right. There. We're gonna hand out some Hot Wheels with the U-Lose Camaro. Jim and Barbie all. How about that? Whoa! Stephen R. Bailey, and he's got his Aunt Linda in all the way in from Idaho. Wow! How about that? Look at that! Whoa! Early, it's not even Halloween. We got skeletons. Oh, check out Robert. Look at that! If you talk about a rat rock, way to go, Robert! Look at that! Wow! 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 Then we got a brand new 69 El Camino. Real hot rod. Then we got Peggy. Peggy's got her Corvette. Look at that, yeah. She's rocking it, she's rolling it, she's power braking it. That is Peggy. Hey, what up? We got Susie Q. I don't know, bro. Go ahead, Pete. Go after that Corvette. And we got Mike Miller. This is Bel Air. Hey, ho, David. Hey. What we got here? Look at this. We got a Mustang, a Mach 1, I believe. How about that? Yeah. What up? Welcome in. Yeah. Got the tachometer right there on the post. Yeah. We got Carl. Carl, one of the coolest dudes in all of car cruising. That'd be Carl Thorensen.
Photos, man.
You're welcome, Carl. Look at that awesome 88, 1950 Futuramic. Oh, we got Greg over there on the camera. And we got the Migliores. Steven and Stevie-O riding shotgun. Cool. 63 C10. Check it out here. Whoa. We got Dusky and his Vicky just out back from a long trip in the old motorhome. Hey, dude.
No more money left.
Yeah. Look at that, huh? How cool is that? What we got here? We got Bob and Beth. There you have it. Bob and Beth. Yeah. Hey, Bob. Hey, Beth. How are you? Cool. The BB's cruising to DeSoto in 1930. How cool is that? Look at that, see? That place says DeSoto 30. Here we got Dominic. Dominic with his 57 Heaven. The most handsomest dude in any car cruise night. That's Dominic. Isn't it great? What a city, huh? There's Dominic cruising with 57 Heaven. Yeah. What up? We got the Kendricks.
How we doing?
Sharon and Wayne, thanks again for letting us hang out.
No problem, anytime.
40 Ford, pick 'em up truck. What up, bro? Stumper, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm good, man. We're right in the middle of the road here, huh? We got Big Mike. Stumper, thanks for coming out.
See you, brother.
All right.
Take care, dude.
Cool. We got Big Perm rolling again.
What's up, Dano?
Big Perm.
Surf City Classics, one big family. Come check us out every Wednesday night. Come down and get you some of this fun. We're having a great time. We're knocking the doors off this thing, baby.
Hey, that SEMA thing, can I follow you out?
No, we're rolling together, baby, unless you want to follow me out.
I gotta drive the Dano, man.
All right, so we're driving the Dano van. Jamie's coming. Darnell, we're going one big family. Look us for SEMA. I'm going to have a fun time, man.
There you have it. Ryan Allman, President of Surf City Classic. Big Perm, we're out missing a license plate light. We gotta get that fixed. Tommy, roll with no lights. Tommy, check this out. What is this? What is this thing? It's not a classic. It's an Autobahn cruiser right there. And we got the cars again. Woo, 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 woo. Hey, hey, hey. Say hey to Tammy.
We love cruise night.
Hey, love cruise night. There we have it. The cars in a 56 Morris Minor. And we got Norm again. Look at that. Look at that. Norm! Oh, we got a Jeepster. We got Max Kaminsky. How fun, huh? It's a 36. Whoa, whoa. Listen to this. Nell's got the headers open. Yeah, sounding good.
You're going way too fast, man. Time to slow down.
There we got Gary. Thanks for coming out, Gary. Say hey to Dan. And we got Stephen R. Bailey, my 55. Stephen, how cool is this to get to cruise with your aunt all the way in from Idaho?
Yep, there we go.
Huh?
All right.
Wow.
Thank
There you go.
Dano.
All right, there you go. Stephen R. Bailey's got his Aunt Linda in from Idaho, cruising Main Street on Dano Vision. The You Lose Camaro. Jim and Barbie all handing out Hot Wheels. And check this out. Robert Wong, huh? Is that the showstopper or what? Huh? Is that a showstopper or what? Robert, this is a badass. Yeah. That flag says Rat Rod. Woo! Look at Peggy. Peggy power braking it. The hot blonde with a Corvette. Woo! Way to go, Peggy. He got your window up. Ah. We got Mike Miller. Hey, Mike. Then we got the Miglioris once again. We got Steven riding shotgun. Steven, way to go, bro. And there's Dad right there. Papa and son cruising together. It's all about family. And we got Dew. He's getting photographed by Pat over there. Look at that. Dudes. We got Carl Florenson. Carl, look at you. Awesome. 88. Look at this. See, it's all about family. Got the children in the back seat. Look at the crowd watching. Side by side seating. Dominic. Sizing it up. 57 heaven. How cool is that? And we got Beth and Bob cruising at 30 DeSoto. How fun is this, huh? You can't have any more funner than this on a Wednesday night, huh? Yeah. Got the Krager SS mags on it. Bob's DeSoto. Pretty cool. You didn't think you were gonna get a show with a dinner. No charge. Dinner show. Hey! I think we might be about over. That's it. It's Big Mike. Mike, we're parked. I think we're done.
Yeah, I think I'm ready for something to eat.
There you have it.
You guys enjoy the cars tonight?
Here's Big Fern, the president. Look at it. They got a dinner show without having to pay for a dinner, without a show. Hey! Yeah. From where?
Chile.
Really? Wow. Welcome in. Cool. Chile. Wow.
Disfruten tu tiempo aquí.
I can't go there. How fun is that? All the way in from Chile on Dano Vision.